Hi, my name's Keller, and I'm the lead developer here at Electric Night Owl, the makers of ArmSwinger. Today I'm going to be showing you very quickly how to add ArmSwinger into a blank project. If you'd like to add it to your own project, you can do that too using very similar steps. First, let's open up Unity and start a new project. So before we install ArmSwinger, let's go ahead and install SteamVR, which is a requirement for ArmSwinger to work properly. I already have the Asset Store open here, but if you don't, you can go up to the window bar and go to Asset Store. Just going to search for SteamVR. For most of my projects, I accept all the recommendations. Now that we have SteamVR imported, let's go ahead and set up our simple scene first. So all I'm going to do in this case is add 2 planes. I'll turn one into a wall. And for some variety, we'll make one a slope. Okay, so this is our simple scene. It's not the prettiest I've ever seen, but it will do just fine for our demonstration today. The next thing we're going to do is get rid of the main camera and replace it with the camera rig prefab from SteamVR. All right, there's our play area. Great. So now you're going to want to import the ArmSwinger library as well, which as of this recording isn't in the Asset Store yet, so I'm going to load it locally. But once it is in the Asset Store, you should be able to come here, search for ArmSwinger, and load it that way. Alternatively, if you got the open source version from GitHub, you'll just extract the entire zip file into the assets/ArmSwinger directory. Going to import everything. Okay, now with my camera rig selected, I'll go to the ArmSwinger scripts folder and then drag the ArmSwinger script onto my camera rig. And really, that's it. All of the defaults are set to things that are relatively sane. There's certainly a lot of tweaking that you can do, which we'll cover in another video, but in order to get ArmSwinger going the first time, this is really all that you need. So let's hit the play button and see what happens. All right, here's my highly detailed world that we've created, and ArmSwinger works just fine. And that's all it really takes to get started. We'll be covering the settings more in depth in another video, but for now, this should get you started. Happy ArmSwinging!